Biggie? Oh no, I think Biggie's brain fell out of his head. Oh no, let's put it back in there. Get back in there, Biggie. Get that brain back in there. Oh, I guess his brain looks a little bit too big for his head. Oh, and he brought the scissors. I think it's one of those toys. Let's move Biggie out of the way. We're gonna cut it open soon. Wow, did you see that? Comment down below what you think's inside the brain. Okay, should we cut it open? One more throw. Okay, let's cut open the tiny brain. Oh, did you see it just got smaller, deflated? Look, I think there's water in it. Oh my, that's so crazy. Can you believe how crazy that is? Wow, it's still stretchy and magical. Okay, let's finish cutting open up the brain. Ew, look. That's the inside of the brain. Well, if you like this video, down below you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel. Become a member of the Spirella family where you can see more crazy and silly things my elves on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf. Thanks so much for watching.